Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check Google Form history. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, go to the Google Forms website. Then, if you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your email address, click Next, then type your password and click Sign in. After that, navigate to the specific Google form you're interested in. Over here, if you have many forms, it might take a moment to find the right one. Once you do, click on it to open. Then click on the settings option. Over here, a new set of options will appear. After that, click on the responses tab. Then you'll see a drop down menu. Click on the first one. Over here, several filtering options will appear. Click on Verify. After that, click on the second drop-down menu. Then select Always to ensure your viewing preference is set to always show verified responses. Lastly, keep in mind that after you submit a Google form, a submission history is created. Over here, it acts as a backup copy of your response. So that's basically how you can check Google form history. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.